What's going on YouTube? Today we're going to be working on, you guessed it, the Miata again. Follow me! Don't fall. Alright, so here we are outside. A little bit of wind, we'll work around it because we don't have a choice. So I was requested to duplicate these. Thank you, Josh, for bugging me for weeks. Just kidding. Not really. So this is only held on by 2 screws, and it's something about resting in here, and apparently these wear out over time and will cause your door to rattle. Mine seemed quite squishy and new, but we are going to duplicate this on the 3D printer. So let's get a screwdriver and take these off. It'd probably be a good idea to... we're gonna need a bigger screwdriver. There we go. So anyway, I was gonna say it's probably a good idea to mark where this bumper is already, but I'm guessing once I take it off, we'll see a nice dirt line right where it used to be, so I won't need to know that. Wow, that's tight. I'm wondering if these have ever been replaced. It was nice and flexible, so I just kind of assumed that... Whoa, okay. Wow. Because it was nice and flexible, I assumed that someone had replaced these recently. They are just mirrors of each other, so on the other side of the car it looks exactly like this. So luckily we can just make one model and then print out one type, which is nice. Okay, there we go. Look at that dirt line, just like I told you. Okay, so we're gonna take this part inside and model it up. Here's my finished part. Obviously it's going to be this one. Everything came out pretty nice, just like I designed it. So let's go grab a light, because now it's dark like always, and let's put it in the car. Alright, so we're here outside. It's dark pretty much. So let me just screw this in place and then I'll go get a light. So we won't snug it up yet until we know right where it needs to sit. So let's go grab a light. There. That's a little better. And it looks like we could move up a little bit. Yep, just like that. Okay, let's go ahead and snug up these bolts. Starting to rain here, so this is fun. Okay, what are the odds that when I shut this door it'll work properly the first time? 3, 2, 1. Okay. I guess we can say that that's a success. Cool. So thanks for watching this quick episode of Do Something Every Day. I hope you enjoyed it. I really look forward to making more Miata parts, more car parts in general. I really think that there could be something to this. Anyway, if you want to see more content like this, please hit the like and subscribe button. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next episode. Over and out.